Let's create a simple landing page. Click on Mobile and Desktop Sites. For this example, we will not use the Site Wizard. Click on this button, Mobile and Desktop Sites. Now click on the green button, Create a New Site. Notice here where it says if you want to jump directly to the site editor without choosing a ready-made site, click here. For demo purposes, we'll change this to read Demo Landing Page. It's very simple to do this. We'll skip the SSL for now. We don't need that for this purpose. Now go to Pages, then go to Home, and you'll see here in our SiteMaker tool that we now have a blank page to work with. First, we'll add a widget. We want that to be a header. Next, we'll customize our header. I prefer to use the auto depending on header contents, and we'll choose full screen. Now we'll choose images just to make this simple. First, we'll save what we've done so far. And it's saving. And once it's saved, we'll go to our global media library. And let's see, we'll pick this image here. Click OK. We'll watch it upload. I prefer auto, but I want to show you what this will look like in full screen. Save and update. This box is for your main title. There's a place down here for adding a video in the background, but then again, I just want to show you how to do a simple and quick landing page with fewer pieces of information. Now we want to add our autoresponder. Go back here to Add a Widget. Click the box. Add Form Contact or Form Free. I'll choose Form Free because I like to create my own. Fill out main title. Contact me for more info. You can change fonts and colors to the right of this. You'll see Autoresponder and Forms, Fields, and Options down here. Add Name here. Mandatory, yes or no. Add Text field. Click and save. We'll add another field here. I usually just like to use name and email. Add a field, call it email. I'll set this one up as mandatory by clicking Yes. Click here to save. Here's a quick tip for your site header in this area here. I want to control what's seen here. To do this, go to Site Options and drag down to Site Header. You can drop your header image into this box here, and it will show up here, currently where it says Home Page. Drop in your favicon image here so it'll show up in browser tabs. We will manually manage the header, and then click and save everything once again. Click here to view your site in 3 different formats. You'll see what it looks like on phone, tablet, and desktop. We haven't added any other content yet, but you can see how quick and simple it was to create this landing page.